introduce us from Group 2. Here we will explain three materials about
circumstance, conditional sentence, and in contracts.
Before that, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Riman Murjai.
My name is Fiona Flaviana da Silva.
My name is Miftah Jana Ibrahim.
My name is Derima Suleman.
My name is Amelia Gatri Paryoko.
My name is Dinatri Setiawati.
My name is Debbie Diange.
My name is Alena Saleh.
My name is Elsa Sayani Suleman.
My name is Abdul Afif.
That's all for introducing name from us. For the discussion, watch the following video.
KD 3.3 Circumstance. What is circumstance? Circumstance are state in the person himself. Experiences in the circumstance are conditional that cause them to act. Social function. Alternative social function are eliminating past experiences or events with a view to counseling from our reader. Text structure, orientation, review in the opening or introduction of a text that contains the background of an event, such as who was involved or when the event occurred. Series of events is part of in the text that contains the assault of sequential events that witness experience. Reorientation is in the counseling of a text that contains the witness consolation measure impression of feelings over in the events of in the experiences. Balance element that cause the simple past tense as in the working tense to express events held in the past. That is simple past tense. Subject plus verb to example I ran. Subject plus be plus complement example it was hard.
Next, point of circumstance. 1. Adverb. 2. Prepositional phrase. 3. Adverbial clause. 4. Finite and non-finite clause. Adverbs describe verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. Adverbs provide explanation. For example, how, where, when something was done or happened. Example 1. He speaks fluent English. The word fluently is an adverb that describes a verb. Next, example. I don't think that Bella is coming. Yesterday, she told me she was in Bandung. It explains time, that is yesterday. Next, types of adverbs. 1. Adverb of time, adverb to explain the purpose of an event. For example, later, soon, yesterday, last night, last year, last month, next week, 2 days ago, already before, etc. Next, 2. Adverb of manner. An adverb to state how an activity is done, how an event occurs. For example, clearly, carefully, correctly, automatically, fluently, hard, etc. Example. Rizka does not speak clearly. I can't understand her. Which explain manner, that is clearly.
Next, 3.
adverb of degree, an adverb to how far, level or degree, an event or event. For example, totally, enough, to, entirely, quite. 4. Adverb of frequency, an adverb that describes how often an activity is carried out or an event occurs. For example, always, usually, often, seldom, sometimes, occasional, never, etc. 5. Adverb of place, an adverb to claim where an activity is done or happening. Location, where a person is or direction. How far a person or something is, distance or combination between them. For example, above, anywhere, here, indoor, etc. 6. Adverb of modality, adverb to express the level of confidence or hope. For example, hopefully, likely, maybe, perhaps, possibly, etc. 17. Adverb of purpose, the adverb acts as an adverb and answers the question. The why construction can be in the form of a prepositional phrase. For example, so, let's, to, in order, because, so that, etc. Next, prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, a combination of a preposition and its object, which is called the object of preposition, which can be in the form of noun, noun phrase, pronoun, gerund. Preposition plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. Preposition plus modifier plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. Next, adverbial clause. Adverbial clause is a dependent clause which functions as a statement whose purpose is the explained verb. Another adjective adverb or adverb that is on the independent plus file on the fly. Its capacity to answer such questions as how, when, cause, where, and where, why. An adverbial clause perpetuates with a word called subordinate conjunction, like even, enter, because, and though, that the links with the independent clause. Conjunction plus subject plus verb. Example, you were sleeping when they arrived. Verb, were sleeping, conjunction, when.
Next, type adverbial clause. 1. Adverbial present of time. 2. Adverbial article of place. 3. Adverbial clause of your clause effect. Cause and effect. 4. Adverbial present of contrast, extraction. 5. Adverbial display of condition. Next, 1. Adverbial display in time. Adverbial present in time is therefore clause that answer Ellen's question when, after, USA, spam, immediately, after, before, Sanchi, until, up, whenever. Example, I'm going to give her this present after the party is over. I will give her this present after the party is over. Next, 2. Adverbial present of place. Adverbial present of place answer questions that begin by where, whatever, everywhere. Example, I take I with me wherever I go. I carry it wherever I go. Next, 3. Adverbial clause of cause and effect is because Sanchi, because how that was wished when what someone just say made you or remember something so that in or that. Example, because she had free time at last holiday, she reclaimed her house because her free time during the holidays and arranged his house.
Paul. Adverbial specifics of contracts. Adverbial present of contracts Methuselah's adverb that are expressing sign, although, while. Example, I had a so handicap I always win the training race. 5. Adverbial clause of condition. The adverbial clause of adversity is an adverb that also serves as an adverb that has an effect. If, unless, only if, whether or not, even it, in case that it's. Example, if you need me, please let me know. Finite and non-finite clause. 1. Limit clause. Finite is a form of a verb that is implicit by tension. 2. Clause is not limit. Non-finite is a verb that is not affected by tension. Example, a trip to the zoo. Yesterday my family and I went to the zoo to see the elephant. When we go to the zoo, we went to the shop to buy somebody to give to the animals. After getting the food, we went to the nocturnal house where we saw birds and reptiles which come out at night. Before having which, we went for a ride on the elephant. It was a thrill to ride it. The tail of wine had let go of the rope, but he was okay. During the lunch, we fed some birds in the park. In the afternoon, we saw the animals being fed. When we returned home, we were very tired but happy. It was because we had so much fun activities and many places at the zoo. Nah, jadi yesterday menerangkan adverb time. I went to the zoo menerangkan adverb place. Sedangkan when, after, before, during menerangkan adverbial clause. Paragraf pertama termaksud dalam orientation. Paragraf kedua, ketiga, keempat termaksud event. Dan paragraf terakhir termaksud dalam reorientation.
3.4 Conditional sentence. Definition. Ambiguous is a compound sentence containing a condition of supposition, imagination, or an unprecedented event. In the English language, this supposition begins with if, as signifying that the condition has not yet taken place. Function. The distinctive form is demonstrative plus typical person. As you may notice, real estate items are part of his description of the sentence. As for real children, and real children. Type of conditional sentence. Type 0. This type is commonly referred to as the zero reliability. This type of sentence is used when the result or consequence of condition manifest alias expose a general truth and scientific fact. This phrase is usually present tense with the formula if plus simple present the simple present simple tense. If we burn paper, it flourishes. I feel sick if I eat too much.
Type 1. First addition or a form of supposing sentences used when we shall word consequences have the possibility of occurring in the future. This is possible because there are still realistic conditions for the possibility. Therefore, the form of sentences found this phrase type of Pembepaix. Sentence has a simple future, sentence to come. The formula of this sentence is if plus simple present, the simple future, will first 61, will cook dinner. Tonight, if you clean the house, if you rest, you will feel. Type 2. Second determinant is a type of supposition that issued when result or consequence have only hope of being realized even if the probability is very small. So let's just say that this second type of supposition is not necessarily the case, but it can also be true. In this sentence, they formally use civil plus simple past if could make plus verb infinitive. They use why could make. Short with plain how big a condition would be. For example, if only for you, I will study my study. If I ate too, I will go with you. 3. The third amendment is a hypothetical sentence when a condition is possible to relate at all. This can be described because of very improbable condition or just a dream or imagination. The formula is F plus past perfect will solve my plus verb plus past participle simple sentence. If you help to invite me, I will have invited your party. We might have gone to South America if she had not been pregnant.
In the next section, we will discuss about tenses. First, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to state an event that occurred before a certain time in the past. Often, the past perfect tense places more emphasis on the fact that something is done and not duration. This formula is subject plus had plus verb 3, past participle from. In the example, terdapat satu kalimat dalam 3 bentuk, yaitu the girl had cried before her mother come, the girl had not cried before her mother come, and had the girl cried before her mother come. Next, simple future tense. Basically, simple future tense is used to describe an event that will occur in the future. However, beyond that, tenses this one can also be used to tell future decisions that are spontaneous or express predictions that relate to the future. The formula is subject plus will or be going to plus verb 1 present from. In the example, dalam kalimat ini, she will come to the cinema tomorrow. She will not come to the cinema tomorrow. Will she come to the cinema tomorrow? Okay, next, simple past tense. What is simple past tense? You are right. Simple past tense, this is the opposite of the simple present tense. In this case, simple past tense is used to describe an event, a custom, state facts, or situation that occurred in the past. Tense is using a second or past tense. The usual tense is yesterday, 2 days ago, and much more. This formula is subject plus verb 2, past from. In the example, they called their friend yesterday. They did not call their friends yesterday. Did They called their friends yesterday. Sama seperti contoh dari tenses sebelumnya, satu kalimat ada 3 bentuk. Next, the last tenses. The simple present tense. The simple present tense is the most common form of tense in everyday life. Usually, the simple present tense is used to present facts to describe an event or a custom that takes place today. The formula used to form the simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1, present form. In the example, lagi-lagi sama seperti contoh sebelumnya, dalam satu kalimat terbagi menjadi 3 jenis atau 3 bentuk. Yaitu, they speak Korean very well, they don't speak Korean, do they speak Korean. Sekian penjelasan about tenses dari saya.
Next, Kadet 3.5, in contrast. Definition: the word in contrast means on the contrary, to describe two different and opposite occurrences. Usually is in the middle between the first event or event as well as second incident and event, even if one thing is in very different from it. In contrast can be used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Function: to show contradiction between two ideas in the same or separate sentence. Contrast conjunction. Number 1, even if. When something is really done or just imagined, even if is used to emphasize that a particular situation will the same on the matter what happened. Pattern: even if plus clause, main clause plus even if plus clause. Example: even if I get free ticket, will not go to the cinema. Number 2, unless express action or situation that will happen if the other on the does not happen before. We ask unless instead of if not in conditional sentence. Pattern: unless plus clause, main clause plus unless plus clause. Example: unless I get a new job, I can buy a new clothes.
3, however, indicates that the relationship between the two clauses in contracts. Pattern: sentence 1, subject plus verb. However, plus sentence 2, subject plus verb. Example: I like playing game, however I am horrible at it. Next, 4. On the other hand, to show two sides of an issue when the comparing two different frequencies of the thinking about a situation. In the beginning, in the middle. Example: James is a talented student. On the other hand, he is very lazy. Next, 5. In contracts. To the contracts 2, people think strongly. Pattern: sentence 1, in contract sentence 2. Example: Liliana is a diligent student. In the contracts he brother he's very lazy. 6. Nevertheless. This word is used to contain two different sentences. Pattern: sentence 1, subject plus verb. However, plus sentence 2, subject plus verb. Example: the government has stabilization is a policy related to public health, insurance, science, 2019. Nevertheless, the rate of a people who have not applied to public health insurance is still concerning.
So much explanation of the material from our group. More or less apologize. Thank you so much. Bye guys!